Hi everybody, this is Ami from EnglishWise, and in today's video I will be discussing about the questions that you get in your mind while attempting your repeat sentence. So the very first question that student asks me frequently is that, can we get any preparation time in repeat sentence? The answer is no, because as soon as the audio ends, your recording starts. So there is no gap between your audio ends and the recording. So you have to straight away start speaking your answer, start repeating your sentence. The second question that I get from the student is that, can we take notes in our repeat sentence? Now the answer to that question is yes and no, both. So let me explain you in detail. If you are really quick in taking the notes and you have got good concentration power, where you are able to concentrate on the audio as well as you are able to take the notes, then in that scenario, go for it. But if you are the person where you are not able to concentrate on two different items, so concentrating on audio as well as writing down the notes, if that's not happening with you, you are not really good, then in that scenario, the ideal approach would be close your eyes, concentrate on audio, memorize your sentence and then speak out. That would be the best way of doing your repeat sentence. So at least you are securing some points towards your content. And the third question is that, is sequence important in our repeat sentence? Now, if you read the Pearson guidelines, it clearly says that repeat the sentence in the correct order you heard. It means sequence is important for our repeat sentence. Now, I would like to highlight over here is that, if you are jumbling up with the words like here and there, with articles, maybe couple of words are here and there, then it should be fine. You don't have to worry about that sequence of the sentence. But if you are totally changing the entire sequence of the sentence, then in that scenario, you may lose some points towards your content. So try to speak as much as you can in the correct order. The next common question is that, can we press next after just saying couple of words? Now guys, students, please don't make these mistakes, because if you only speak couple of words and you move to your next question, in that scenario you are not getting points for your speaking. It's not about your content, it's about your speaking. So the hack to this problem is that, add filler words or filler sentences, or you can say in other words, add extra words. Okay, let me explain you, give you some example. Let's say the sentence is, I wanted to become a teacher to make positive difference in the society. That's your actual audio. Now you only able to get I wanted to become. You don't know the rest part of the sentence. Then in that scenario, what you do? Do you go to your next question just by saying 4 words? If you do like that, you are losing points for your fluency, because you are not speaking enough words to get your points towards your speaking. So what you need to do is, you can just add couple of words to your actual answer. Okay, you can say I wanted to become a teacher and something like that. I wanted to become a teacher and black is my favorite color. I wanted to become a teacher and something like that. Or maybe you can say, that's all I heard. So these are called your filler words or sentences. So in this way, you are just maintaining the fluency of your sentence. And it sounds that you are speaking the entire complete sentence. I know that your content is not correct in this scenario, but you are losing points only for your content, not for your fluency and pronunciation. So at least you are scoring points towards your speaking, but not for your listening. So this is the hack, when you are only aware about couple of words from the entire sentences. Now the next question after this is that, can we repeat or can we say the entire sentence twice while actually recording the answer? The answer is no, you just have to speak once. That's it. The last question that I get from the student is that, what if we miss out the first part of the sentence but we know the last part perfectly? Then what shall we do in that scenario? So I would say that in that case, just speak whatever you know. Instead of keeping silence or instead of skipping the question just by thinking that my sequence won't be the correct, this is not the ideal approach. Whatever you know about that sentence, just speak that sentence in that particular order. I hope I have answered all the questions to your repeat sentence. If you have any other questions regarding to your repeat sentence or any other questions regarding to your PTE, do mention it in comment and we'll just get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video and keep practicing.